Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm super excited to share something special with you today. My journey into digital marketing and the key things I wish I had known around 8 years ago. Whether you're just beginning or you've been at it for a while, I'm here to give you some insights that you could make your path a whole lot smoother. So guys, if you are ready to dive into digital marketing and want to avoid some common pitfalls, stick around to this video till the end. And I've started digital marketing, as I said, 8 years ago. The first time I touched on digital marketing was with social media. At that time, I had no idea or no clue I was diving into something as broad as digital marketing. And guys, just to let you know, my name is Mahesh Sopari from Kolabik, and I've been making a full-time living online for over 6 years through digital affiliate marketing. My focus has been on driving traffic, finding the right products to promote, and building an email list. It's been a great journey working from home. And also guys, I've seen countless strategies come and go. So I'm confident my experience can be a valuable resource for you. So if you're interested in learning about my top performing system for generating consistent online income through traffic and affiliate marketing, then I request you to please check the first link in the description down below, get registered and watch my free masterclass. I've spent countless hours testing these strategies, guys, only to end up disappointed and frustrated. But then something changed. After reviewing these hundreds of these programs, I discovered a revolutionary approach to affiliate marketing. It's simple, called as a 3-step internet formula that has generated me over 25,000 plus leads and thousands of dollars in profit for me. I'm talking about a system that cuts through the noise and delivers real results. No more wasting time, no strategies that don't work. I've cracked the code and I'm ready to share it with you. So if you are interested to get this, then you can please visit the second link from the description. It's called the Solar Planner Registration Proof and I'm selling it for just $1. Once you purchase for $1, you get access to my VIP community and also a free bonus worth $2,488 for absolutely free. This bonus is only for the first 500 members who take action and purchase my ebook. Spots are filling really soon. There are already 129 people who are into my community. So once it is done, then we are going to close this up. So please take action and get into my community. Now let's get started with today's video. Alright, the first thing I would have done differently is to understand some basics of digital marketing before diving into the practical aspects. Yes, digital marketing is incredibly practical, but trust me, having a foundation in the key concepts can make your learning curve so much faster. For example, understanding what the main digital marketing channels are, like organic channels, paid channels, social media, affiliate marketing, email marketing, and display ads will give you a better grasp on the landscape. It's also important to know how digital marketing differs from traditional marketing and why it's essential in today's world. Understanding the digital marketing funnel from the top of the funnel to retention and familiarizing yourself with common metrics like conversion rate, traffic, and bounce rate are crucial. Guys, there are plenty of resources out there, both free and paid, to help you with these basics. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, BrainStation, and even Google offer free certification programs. You can also find a lot of useful information just by Googling. I've also got a video titled like Digital Marketing for Beginners. I request you to watch that video if you like to know more about digital marketing. And next, the second thing I wish I've done sooner is getting hands-on experience as quickly as possible. Digital marketing is so practical that you won't fully understand it until you actually do it. You don't necessarily need a job to get this experience. In fact, I recommend a DIY approach, like do it yourself. Start by building your own website. This will be your sandbox where you can apply everything you have learned. Don't worry about spending a lot of money. This is just a learning project and you can get a domain and web hosting for as little as $50 per year from providers like GoDaddy or Bluehost. Once your website is up and running, install a content management system known as CMS like WordPress and then start creating content. Write blogs, set up landing pages, and get into the nitty-gritty of web analytics by installing Google Analytics and Google Search Console. So guys, if your budget allows, consider running a small Google Ads or Facebook Ads campaign to understand the basics of ad targeting, conversion tracking, and writing ad copy. You don't need to run these campaigns for months, just long enough to understand the process. Alright, now by doing all of this, you'll expose yourself to the entire digital marketing funnel, from attracting visitors to converting them and retaining them. This project might take a few months depending on your time commitment, but it can also serve as a great portfolio piece. Many top digital marketers have side projects like this, what I call learning projects, just for the sake of personal growth. Through this process, you'll get a deeper understanding of which area of digital marketing truly interests you. Is it SEO, paid media, UX, or conversion optimization? A T-shaped marketer has a broad knowledge of digital marketing and deep expertise in one or two areas. You won't know which areas resonates with you until you start doing it. Alright, now the third thing I wish I had done sooner is connecting with digital marketing community. Digital marketing is a global skill and it's not bound by location. This means you should aim to connect with the global community, not just local experts. So start by following top digital marketing practitioners on LinkedIn to get first-hand insights, lessons learned, and successful strategies. I've included some links in the description below. You can go and please check with that. Another way to connect is by chatting with other digital marketing practitioners, and it's something I regret not doing earlier, because you can gain new perspectives just by talking to people who are further along in their journey. Now, if you are looking for a mentor, I highly recommend reaching out on LinkedIn, and you can also check out platforms like Growth Mentor, where you can find mentors based on specific skills or roles. Now, a mentor can provide guidance, answer your questions, and give you clarity on your path. Connecting with others not only boosts your knowledge, but also your confidence. When you know you're not alone in your journey, it gives you the courage to keep going. And now the fourth thing I would do differently is establish a daily learning habit early on. Digital marketing is a fast-paced field, constantly evolving with new search algorithm updates, platform features, and technical innovations. To stay ahead, you need to keep yourself updated. Now, create a list of blogs, news media sites, and newsletters about digital marketing that you can check daily. Some of my favorite include Search Engine Journal, Search Engine Land, HubSpot's Marketing, and the Content Marketing Institute. You don't need to spend hours on this, just 15 minutes a day will do. Now, over time, this habit will make you more sensitive to new trends and more knowledgeable in your field. I've included a list of resources, guys, so if you're interested, you can please go and check with that from the description down below. Lastly, I wish I had honed my content marketing skills more intentionally from the start. Content is the backbone of digital marketing. It's what communicates, convinces, and persuades your audience to take action. Whether you're working in PPC, social media, or SEO, you need good content. For example, when I first started working on YouTube channel, I quickly realized that creating compelling content is essential to capture your attention. So don't confuse content marketing with copywriting. Content marketing is a strategic approach to engaging your target audience and driving long-term growth. Copywriting, on the other hand, is about making your copy more compelling to prompt immediate action. So to practice content marketing, start by researching your target audience, writing blog posts, posting on LinkedIn or Facebook, or building a landing page for a campaign that converts. Understanding how to create resonating content is especially important in the age of AI. While AI can produce content quickly, it still requires human judgment to craft a message that truly connects with your audience. And guys, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you are just starting out on your digital marketing journey, remember to stay curious, keep learning, and most importantly, take action by practicing. Your journey in digital marketing is just beginning, and I can't wait to see where it takes you. So guys, if you like to know more about my favorite strategy, that which makes me around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of my home, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description, get registered, and watch my free masterclass. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.